So here we are at the VidIQ dashboard. Here you can use this to generate video ideas. So let me type in something, perhaps artificial intelligence, AI, AI technology, generate. It's taking some time, but it will generate for us. If you're doing a video, you get the title, description, tags, and also the rest that you'd actually put into the video before you upload it. Wow, it even gives us thumbnail backgrounds and a hook. All this is AI generated, and it should give you a video that would be better placed to rank in the YouTube search results. Oh, there's even the video script and voiceover, although they're taking some time to load. Okay, this script is a bit short, but it's better than nothing. This voiceover is taking quite some time to load. Let's go and have a look at create. What will you make videos about? Let's go again with artificial intelligence. What topics inspire your content? Type that in there. It should give us some more options. Yes, there they are. They're all related to artificial intelligence. So let me just check those boxes. These look good. Daily inspiration. Now this is taking quite some time. I think their systems are a bit slow. Let's see. So you get blueprints, or you can start from your idea, or there's emerging trends, or reinvent viral videos. So you can use previously viral videos to as a base to create something new. Try out top search terms. Okay. Exploring the impact of AI in everyday life. Let's move on to optimize. In optimize, this will allow you to better optimize your already existing videos so that they can rank better in the YouTube search results and you get more views. Keywords. So this is shows you the keywords with the difficulty, how easy they are to go and rank for them. Let's try text to speech and see what we get. So for that search term, you can see the overall score is high, 72, and there's others there we can relate it, so we can copy them, matching keywords. So we can copy those and maybe create video ideas based on that. Now let's move on to ideas. I think this is where we get ideas for our videos. I can show you based on what is trending, and also they're personalized to your specific channel or niche. Okay, and this is upgrade, so you can upgrade. You get a yearly access for $9 a month. Okay, that's it's discounted from $17 a month. And monthly access, $25 a month, discounted from $49 a month. Unlimited video ideas, thumbnail generation, keyword research, video optimization. There's a browser extension and more. Let's see what there's more. There's SEO. Let's have a look at that. Okay, I think this is only in the paid plan. Okay, there's even a tutorial to show you how to use this. And can have competitors, so we can actually have a look at our competitors, look at their performance. Okay, it gives you all these metrics such as subscribers and all that. There's a learn. So here is where we can learn more from the VidIQ team and other creators, how to use VidIQ to its best. Events. Okay, so there's these are events. I think they're trainings. Yeah, as you can see. Editing. Channel audit. Okay, so this shows you the upcoming live events. Okay, there's no sessions scheduled yet.